everybody. Martika here, and welcome. So, today I am sharing with you guys some of my clearance finds from various places. As you know, I love looking for bargains, I love looking through clearance, thrifting, and things like that. Anything that can help me sew on a budget. And so, these are the things that I also like to share with you, especially if you are trying to save money in the sewing community. But these are a few random things from some different stores. I have some fabric for you, I have some notions for you, and I even have some decor for you that I found that I'm going to be putting in my sewing room. So let's go ahead and get started. So, as you know, Walmart is one of the places that I like to go and find some great fabric, you guys. And the last time I was in there, I found this great bundle. As you can see, it's 3 yards for $8. And this is a knit, and it's like it has a rib knit look, but it's not necessarily a ribbed knit, okay? It is kind of, it's not see-through if you don't stretch it. Okay, let's just put it like that. But if there's a little stretch in there, then it can be a little see-through-ish. But there are many things that I thought about doing with this fabric when I did purchase to get that a little closer so that you can see what I'm talking about here. But it's a beautiful, beautiful fabric. And I'm thinking about, maybe a pant set, maybe even a dress with this, a cute little dress. I don't know. I got to look through my knit patterns and see what this would really, really look good in. But I love this teal color. And yeah, I just love the look of this fabric. And for $8 for about 3 yards of this, you just cannot beat it. Now, as you know, when shopping at Walmart, when they do show you the yards, it could be give a little, take a little. And that's because, they just basically try to get it as close as possible to the amount of yardage that it is. So always be sure to measure out your yardage when you do get your fabric from Walmart, preferably after washing it. Okay, I always wash my knits in hot water, dry them on hot so that they shrink all the way, and then I know exactly how much fabric I have, and when I make my garment, I don't have to worry about it shrinking on me later. So that's the first bundle I got. And then the second bundle that I picked up at Walmart was just this beautiful one here, you guys. It has like this kind of like I don't want to say polka dot, but maybe more so of like a Dalmatian type dotted print to it. This is another like a rib. This is more so of a rib knit, if you ask me. The other one probably was too. It just didn't feel like a rib knit. But yeah, this is just gorgeous. And this is another 3 yards for $8. You just cannot beat it. I don't know where this fabric is from. They consider these remnants, and they come from all over the place. I have even seen some of the fabrics that I bought before. They possibly came from Joann's, because I saw those exact same fabrics in Joann's. But I'm saving a buttload of money by doing it this way. So yeah, this fabric also is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't remember if I did pull this out too. When I saw this fabric, you guys, I immediately thought dress. That's just the bottom line. This is going to be a dress because this is just so beautiful. And I think that the sway in this, if I do something kind of like a knit flowy dress, I think that this would just be really, really gorgeous with my nude straps heel sandals. Oh, I think that would be just really, really pretty. So I'm looking forward to sewing that up. So that's it for the Walmart. I can't really say haul, but that's what I picked up at Walmart a while back. And then I went to Hobby Lobby actually just the other day and picked up some things. I was actually going in there to look for a red zipper because I needed this for what I'm getting ready to sew up. And so, you guys, I don't know if you are aware, but at Hobby Lobby, let me turn the zipper this way. All of their zippers are always at a discounted price, along with their thread. I did pick up some more black thread because that's just something that I keep on backup. I ran out of black thread one time, and that's all it takes, you guys, especially when you sew with a lot of black like I do. So their thread, depending on which one you get, it's always 99 cents. Okay. So they should have the signs in there, and you will see that you can get a spool of thread for 99 cents. This is the Sewology thread. I have sewn with this for a very long time. It is great, great thread. And for 99 cents, you cannot beat it. They have every single color you can imagine. Okay. So if you are on a thread hunt and need some more colors, check out Hobby Lobby. 99 cents for their thread. And no, this video was not sponsored by them. Okay. The zippers, you guys, the zippers are the same. They have them marked at their original price, but depending on the price, I think up to $1.49, their zippers are 99 cents. But if they're like the $3.49 zippers, like this is a 22-inch invisible zipper. This was regularly $3.49. You guys, this was $1.99 for this zipper. So that is the price that they pretty much are. So yeah, you save some money that way too if you're looking for different notions. But while, you know me, I had to look around. Didn't really see any fabric in the clearance bins that caught my eye. But I did see some notions that caught my eye because, you guys, these were on clearance. I look for this orange sticker right here. Okay, I look for that. As you can see, this is a twist lock and it's 74 cents. Now, I don't have a need for a twist lock right now, but I'm thinking that probably one of the bags that I sew up probably will, you know, need a twist lock. And just in case, I will have one on hand. Only 74 cents, you guys. I don't like go in and just load up on these type of things because I don't know when I'm going to need it or if I'm going to need it. But at least I have one in my stash, and the ones that were on clearance was this antique gold one. So I grabbed it. Another thing that I grabbed, and I did know that I was going to need these, but I probably won't need them right away, but who knows, were these metal cord stops. And they had these for 49 cents, as you can see. They had silver, or nickel is what they call it, and then they had the antique gold, and they were 49 cents each. Now, regular on these was $1.99, and the regular on that twist lock was $2.29. So, you know, saving quite a bit on both. But these were on clearance. I guess they're just trying to move them or whatever. So I went on ahead and grabbed one set of each, and that way when I need these for like a cording, you know, that will be going maybe through a hoodie or some pants or something, then I'll have these cord stops with me already and I won't need to go out and buy any. So yeah, those are some that I picked up there. But I also, you guys, picked up some great decor. So I was contemplating on this, and I actually went back to get this because the thread holder that I have is like one of the wooden ones, and it actually belongs to my daughter, and she is wanting it back. So I said, okay, I guess I have to go ahead and get my own now. So I went ahead and grabbed this thread holder, this spool holder. So cute. I saw that Shatoka had one of these on her wall as well. And you guys, this is just so cute. I love the metal art to this. I love the sewing machine with the heart on the inside. You have your 2 screws that it's going to go into the wall there. You guys, this holds 40 spools of thread. Okay, there's 40 hooks on here. And then I like that the accent of it is black because it's looks like that's what's becoming an accent color in my room here. And not only that, the regular on this, you guys, was $21.99, but I got this for $11.99. So yes, saving quite a bit of money there. So yeah, pretty happy about that. So I grabbed that up for my room here, and it will be going up really soon. And then I also grabbed these cuties right here. These are like big wooden buttons with hooks. Okay, how cute are these? You probably seen these before, but if you haven't, they're so stinking cute. And you guys, they were only $2.99. Let me move the camera in so you can see. They were only $2.99 each. Now the regular on these were $5.99, but I got them for $2.99 and I am not complaining about that. Let me take one of these orange stickers off the front here so you can actually see the full effect of this cute little button hook. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna hook on here. I'm pretty sure you could use this for several things, but I don't know. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to hook onto these little buttons, but they will definitely be in use. So that way you can see that without the orange sticker. That is just so cute. I love button accented things. Just very cute little accent pieces. So I grabbed those, and then not only that, but I also grabbed this cute little sign that says "So Cute." Very cute. I thought that's gonna be really cute on my wall because I'm going to be doing some things around this too. Now, the regular on this was $12.99, but you guys, I got this for $4.24, as you can see. I saved a lot of money. I should have calculated how much money I saved, but I saved quite a bit of money at Hobby Lobby. So that is what I got. So if you're ever in there, definitely check out the decor pieces. If you're needing decor for your sewing room, check out the notions. And even if there's not a sign there, check for those orange stickers because you never know what's on sale. Now, the last thing I want to show you, I got these actually a while back, but if you ever forget, don't forget to stop at Michael's, you guys. Michael's is always a gold mine when it comes to clearance. You just never know what you're gonna find in there at any given time. And at one point when I went into Michael's, they had these beautiful black framed picture frames, and they fit an 8x10 size photo. I got 4 of these. There were 4 available. And the regular on these, you guys, were $5, okay? But I got them each for $1.25. I got 4. So I got 4 for the price of what one would have been back then, okay? Now, another thing that I really like about these here is that this is not your regular, like, flip it up, you know, and then push it back down. The way that you get this out of here to get your picture in there is you push this metal piece down and then you just kind of swivel it out of there. And when you're ready to lock it back in, you push it down and hook it back in there and it locks. So this is a very nice, very well made picture frame. And just to give you an idea of what I'm doing, I took some of my own art that you have seen like on my mugs, on some of my mugs if you've been to my Etsy shop. And you guys, I printed it off on my printer here at home, and I framed my artwork. And how beautiful did that come out, you guys? Not only did I do that one, but I did this one as well. Just to get an idea of what this would look like inside these frames. And I am in love, okay? Now, let me tell you something. I have been thinking about starting a printable shop in Etsy, okay? Just a whole nother shop separate from my shop where I sell my mugs and tote bags. So printables, they're totally different. They're very inexpensive. It allows you to just grab the printable, purchase it, and then print it off at home or send it to your printer. You can print it off in whatever sizes you want. That's, you know, the limit to where the artwork would look good. And yeah, that's your option. You can frame it yourself or you can go and have it framed. Now, I've been thinking about offering that and starting that shop. I need help. I need you guys to let me know if that's something that you think would be a good thing, if that's something that you would be interested in, just looking at these printables here, and not just sewing artwork, but different types, you know, of artwork in the craft community and things like that, and then positive quotes and things like that. Tell me, please, if that's something that you would be interested in as I think about doing something like that. But like I said, this is, you know, the artwork that I have on, you know, a couple of my mugs, and I just printed it out because of course I have the file and I printed it out just to see what it would look like in a printable. And I love these. You guys, these frames were $1.25, and printables are not too much more than that. So if you were to do something like that, it'd be very inexpensive. Yeah, just took it right out of this frame here and put it right in there. And look at that. That's going to be beautiful on this wall. So I have 2 more frames to fill, and I'm going to be filling them with some more artwork. And yeah, I just think it's going to be amazing. So let me know what you think in the comments. By all means, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you have not. What are you waiting on? And yeah, talk to me in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a great one, you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.